Hello everyone and welcome to this crash course on Django. What is Django? Django is a high-level Python web framework. It is easy to use, versatile, scalable, and it is used by some big A+ companies like Instagram, NASA, Bitbucket, Eventbrite, Reddit, Discuss, etc. etc. It is written in Python, and Python, as you all know, is easy to learn, versatile, and it is a beginner's language. So if you are not good in programming, if you have no clue about programming, start with Python, and in next week you are good to go for this series. Now there are many web frameworks available out there like Flask, Web2Py, Pyramid, etc. etc. But Django, as I said, is a fully loaded web framework out there, and we are going to utilize that in this tutorial series. So before we start, you have to download some things like first Python. So go to this python.org/downloads, okay, and download the latest available version. Here it is Python 3.7.2. You can have anything out there. Download the latest available version. Just make sure you are downloading it correctly for your OS. So here mine is Windows, so that is why I'll download for Windows. Next you have to download Anaconda. Anaconda is a Python distribution. Python is open source language, so that is why anyone can download it, tweak a few changes and sell it if they want to. So this is what Anaconda is doing right now, and it is the most popular distribution of Python out there in market. Again, download the Python 3 version and check whether your machine is a 64-bit or a 32-bit machine. Next, you have to download XAMPP. XAMPP, as you all can read here, is an Apache distribution, and this contains MySQL database, and that is why we are going to use it. Finally, when you're installing Anaconda, you'll get an option of downloading Visual Studio Code. So if you are doing that, it is fine. If you're not doing it, you can download it later on. Go to this website called code.visualstudio.com/download and download it for your machine. And this is an editor that we are going to use. It is a lightweight editor, allows me to code in any language that I want, and that is why we are going to use this. So these are some of the things that you need to download and install on your machine. If you are getting stuck anywhere, there are many tutorials available, so you can have a look at that. In the next video, we are going to check how to set up this Django environment on Windows. Thank you.